Go through the proper installation of how those roofs are put together and waterproofed.
The tile roofs?
Correct. You know, in both cases, you got to start with your underlayments.
Yes, we like to use a peel and stick underlayment. It's a Burrell Westlake peel and stick.
That's a lot more enjoyable than the old torch down underlayments. You used to have to go through the propane torch and
yeah. We actually never did any torch down roofing. We never have. But our underlayment under the tile, we like to use the real heaviest, thickest material available. It comes with a 30-year manufacturer's warranty through Westlake Burrell Tile Seal, and it's a self-sealing underlayment. When you put your tile, your batten sticks go on top of the underlayment. That gets nailed through the underlayment. So you're putting all these penetrations in the underlayment. That's why we really like that peel and stick. Kind of it self-seals around all those nail holes.
As opposed to the old felt that you used to roll out, you'd have 1 layer or 2 layer.
Yeah.
And it came in different pounds. Well, this sounds like a fairly heavy product to get up on the roof.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Well, we have the supply house, they have boom lifts on their truck, so it gets loaded right up onto the roof with a boom.
And when you're saying thick, how thick is it? Like if you put it next to, an old 20-pound felt paper, how many layers that 20-pound felt would it take to be the same thickness?
Probably like 25 of them.
This is a real nice thick underlayment.
Yeah, I've actually never done that type of a test, but yeah, it's substantial. We actually a lot of times will have a sample of what you're talking about, the felt paper, and then our Burrell tile seal, which is much thicker, and show the homeowner, and they're not knowledgeable obviously about roofing typically, but anybody can see that, okay, yeah, this stuff is far superior to the felt paper.